In today's Vikram Online Biz video, we are sharing with you about business web hosting from eUKhost. And see, the reason we are doing so is not only the cost, which of course is very reasonable, but more than that, it's the quality of service which is offered by eUKhost. Because see, there's something called 100% uptime SLA. Those in this realm would be well aware of this. Now, a lot of these operators in this particular realm, they do claim to offer 100% uptime SLA, but then many actually fail to achieve it or rely on luck, and somehow they have minimal SLA, not that they don't have it at all. And in this particular instance at eUKhost, they are absolutely 100% confident as far as uptime SLA is concerned because they have the requisite technology to back that. And in that regard, their confidence, the fact that yes, uptime SLA would be 100%, they're so confident that they will in fact compensate customers with one free month of web hosting in case they have even a minute of downtime in any calendar month. So, that is something which is practically unheard of, unseen in this particular realm. But the fact that eUKhost is so confident that even if there's a minute of downtime, they'll actually compensate customers with 1 month of free hosting, that just shows the quality of the hosting which they're offering. In that regard, what we've done is, see, we provided the direct link to this page in the description below this video. You can simply click on that, get to the same page, and whereby you can then pick and choose the business web hosting plan which suits your requirement the best. See, there's both Linux and Windows hosting on offer. The prices are the same. In terms of what you get is more or less the same, and yet it's all about your own choice of between Linux and Windows. And in case you're more keen on knowing about the plans, there, of course, you can clearly look at them. There's business hosting Linux, there's Windows. These are all the details in terms of what you get in terms of storage space, monthly bandwidth, control panel, added on domains, park domains, and everything. So as we mentioned, see, they are identical. It's just the operating system or the OS which differs. Beyond that, it's more or less the same. It's your preference between Linux and Windows. It's not our job to recommend either of the two. It's about the business in question, its own requirement. That's where it differs. So for some, maybe Windows is preferable over Linux, and for others, it may be vice versa. So that's a call you can take, but otherwise, this is something we do recommend. And so, if you're looking out for business web hosting, then eUKhost is definitely the way to go. The pricing is very reasonable with 100% uptime SLA guarantee.